On August 22nd, 2016, I decided to start a YouTube channel. Not doing any research, not understanding or knowing the inner workings of YouTube. I just decided to jump off in the deep end with the mentality that I'll either sink or swim. And though I almost drowned on a number of occasions, I managed to stay afloat. And approximately 2 years and 6 months on, I hit the 100,000 subscription mark. And for me, that is an amazing achievement, considering the amount of time, energy, sacrifice, and money I would have invested in building this channel. The number of long nights, forget about that. The number of sleepless nights, the strained relationships, the fading of friendships. But through it all, I had a dream, I had a vision, and I had a goal. Over the course of that 2.5 years, I would have made many mistakes and made many errors in judgment. But above it all, I have grown. And in my hand is a physical representation of said growth. This is my silver play button. That signifies that I have attained 100,000 subscribers.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
It reads, presented to teach them, for passing 100,000 subscribers. And accompanying the plaque is a letter from YouTube's CEO, which reads, you have done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you do not lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you have accomplished cannot be taken away from you. And we would like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you have found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you are closer than you think, and we are rooting for you. Congratulations. It would be remiss of me if I do not take the opportunity to say thank you to my viewers and my subscribers. Thanks to every single person who have ever watched a video on this channel. To those persons who have liked, shared, comment, encourage, criticize, or offer a word of advice. I sincerely appreciate the input of everyone. For all those persons who have stuck out the journey from day one, I sincerely appreciate you. For the persons who were once subscribed and for whatever reasons have unsubscribed, I appreciate you. For all the persons who continue to encourage, to push, to drive, to motivate, I appreciate you. For all the persons who continue to criticize, I appreciate you. For all the persons who continue to dislike the videos, I appreciate you. Because without you, the growth of this channel would not be what it is today. And speaking about growth, I aim and endeavor to improve with every single video. I have vivid memories of starting this channel and being told by viewers, go sell banana chips and bag juice or go try farming. Uno come on YouTube and try to get rich on no sense. Oh, this man say I'm a teacher and him can't read. But I understood at the time the limitations in which I was working with. And not only that, but my personal limitations. And I have actively sought to improve, and the rewards are there to show. I have also learned over these 2.5 years that I have an amazing responsibility. And it is important for me to always try to be objective, to be fair, to be frank, but also to stand up for the things that I believe in. And before I go, let me take this opportunity to say to all aspiring YouTubers, vloggers as we say in Jamaica, the most important thing is to start. I started with only this cell phone, a Note 4, and I used this to run my channel for the better part of a year and a half. Sure, now I have a studio and I have equipment, but that did not come overnight. That came through hard work. So start with what you have and build incrementally until you can attain the things that you want. Also bear in mind that you don't come on YouTube and get rich overnight. It takes work, it takes sacrifice, it takes dedication. And yes, some persons strike it lucky, but generally speaking, it is the persons who work the hardest gets the best rewards. So, as Ragging King once said, in favor of my fans, I me love you no bad. You know what I mean? Peeps, this is for you from me. This would not be possible without you. Nothing on the channel would have been possible without you. I sincerely appreciate the continued support. I sincerely appreciate the persons who watch the videos, who like the videos, who share the videos, who comment on the videos, who continue to recommend the channel to their friends and family. You guys are amazing. And for me, this is just the beginning. Great things are yet to come. Thanks again, my friends. Walk good and step with Jah. I'm out.
Teach them. Hey, yo, yellow. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.